Hi guys, it's the first day of January 2023 and we're in Opoho, Dunedin in New Zealand, and we're just going to go up the world's steepest street, Baldwin Street in Dunedin. Baldwin Street is a straight street a little under 350 metres long. It runs east from the valley of Lindsay Creek, up the side of Signal Hill towards Opoho, rising from 30 metres above sea level at its junction with North Road to 100 metres above sea level at the top. It has an average slope of slightly more than 1.5. The lower reaches are only moderately steep and the surface is asphalt, but the upper reaches are steeper and surfaced in concrete for ease of maintenance. Bitumen, in either chip seal or asphalt, would flow down the slope on a warm day. It is also for safety in Dunedin's frosty winters. The 161.2 metre long top section climbs 47.2 metres vertically, with an average gradient of 1 to 3.41. At its maximum, about 70 metres from the top, the slope of Baldwin Street is about 1 to 2.86. It is about 19 degrees or 35%. In 2.86 metres travelled horizontally, the elevation changes by 1 metre.
Okay, pull back down.
At the top there was a place to rest and a water fountain in case you were feeling thirsty, complete with a step, apparently because the 3-year-old was not able to reach the water when they walked to the top. While we walked today, people have roller skated and even travelled by pogo stick to the top.
Thought below the side that is bit like changing no mấy chị nó quan từ show mỗi đại rồi ha thế là lỡ phnom như tới thứ pleu chân này rồi ha pleu về làng phnom chứ là chắc cái thời chỉ lại từ show mỗi tệ tê như đây ta thật tệ tìm bạn lôi bên đấy về bạn cái bạn bị hạt pran đây tại sao đó tại saoទីក្រុងនៅ town មកច្រឡំទីក្រុងអត់នៅក្រុងហ្នឹងក្រុងDunedin រដ្ឋយើងទីក្រុងទី5នៃប្រទេសញូហ្សេឡង់ស៊ីកាសានេះ
That's all for today guys, thank you for watching, please subscribe, like and share and join us next time.